Hi folks, my name is Nestor and I'm here with our brand new dance floor. Folks, in front of me is a 4-foot by 4-foot dance floor panel, and this panel comes in 4 colors. We have it in white, black, fruitwood, and chestnut. You can also get it with a color combination checkerboard, where you get one panel white, the other panel black, so you have that beautiful checkerboard pattern. Right here, it's got a kind of a lip to it along the top ridge and the side ridge. The other 2 sides have this kind of groove that goes inside, and that's going to be the female side. And so the 2 sides that have the hole, it's going to be the female side. The 2 sides that don't have holes will be the male side. You'll notice we have a variety of trims in gold or silver. One, to prevent a trip hazard, right? You're walking into the dance floor, people have heels, they're ready to dance the night away, and you don't want anyone tripping, and it gives a nice, clean, trim finish. So we'll show you how to install all these pieces together in just a few minutes. All right, folks, in my right hand is the Camelot tool that comes included with each of our dance floors. I insert this here, and this is the mechanism that actually locks each of the components. So you twist that all the way until it doesn't move any further, and now that's locked. Now, a couple of things before laying out your dance floor. One, you need a smooth surface. If you've got a uneven surface, this is not gonna work. You need a smooth surface to get started. So you wanna lay out your dance floor nicely, how you want to set up your dance floor before you start putting everything together. There are unique trims, right? So we have, each of these has an edge to it. One has an edge on the left-hand side, the other one has an edge on the right-hand side. And so this is a female edging with a left corner. And some of the center pieces will have just a straight trim, which will look just like this, where you'll have a straight edge on each side. So we're gonna put the 4 panels in the middle first and put those panels together, and let's get started. So we're gonna push these together. So this is in place. So now I just use the cam tool here, and that's it. This is now locked in place. So now our dance floor is fully locked. This just takes a few minutes. Now we'll start putting all the edges together. Now we got a dance floor, looks like a dance floor, but you just need to lock everything in place. It is made out of high pressure laminate, and that means it's designed for heavy duty commercial use. This is scratch resistant. This is why we back it up with not only just the manufacturer's 1-year warranty, but we've extended that to a 2-year warranty exclusively at Chivari.com. So folks, this is a great commercial grade dance floor available now. This great return on investment. This has lasted a long time. Again, back with a 2-year warranty. Get yours today at Chivari.com.